This is the Fluent in English podcast, your daily dose of natural English made simple. Let's get fluent together.
Good afternoon. Welcome to City Care Hospital. How can I assist you today? You look a bit pale. Is everything all right?
Hi. I'm not feeling well at all. Since late last night I've had a high fever, a pounding headache, and this really uncomfortable pressure in my chest. I tried to rest and drink water, but it just kept getting worse, so I came here hoping someone could check what's going on.
I'm sorry you're feeling so unwell, Sarah. Let's get you registered so we can have you seen as soon as possible. Could you please tell me your full name and date of birth?
Yes, it's Sarah Ahmed, born on August 12, 1996. Honestly, I don't usually get sick, so this is making me really anxious.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm entering your information now. Can you describe your symptoms a bit more? When did they start and have they been getting steadily worse?
It started yesterday evening with a light headache and a little fever. I didn't think much of it at first. But around midnight I began shaking from chills, and by morning I felt extremely weak. The chest pressure started as a small discomfort, but now it feels heavy, especially when I take deep breaths.
That sounds very uncomfortable. Are you experiencing anything else? Dizziness, nausea, coughing, or trouble breathing?
Yes, dizziness comes and goes, and I've been feeling nauseous but haven't thrown up. My breathing isn't painful, but it definitely feels tighter than usual. I feel like I'm using more effort just to inhale.
I see. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. Have you taken any medication today to try to reduce the fever or ease the headache?
I took one paracetamol this morning, but it didn't help much. The headache eased for maybe 30 minutes, but then everything came back even stronger.
Okay, I'm noting that down. Have you had any recent travel, heavy workload, or been around someone who might have been sick?
I haven't traveled anywhere, and no one around me seems sick. But I have been working long hours for the past couple of weeks, barely sleeping, and I guess that probably made things worse. I've been extremely tired even before the fever started.
Lack of rest can definitely weaken your immune system. Don't worry, you came to the right place. We'll get you checked properly. Before I send you to the waiting area, one more question. Do you have any known allergies to medicine or food?
No, none that I'm aware of. I've never reacted badly to anything before.
Great. I'm finishing your registration now. You'll be seen by a nurse or doctor shortly. Please take a seat and try to relax. If you start feeling worse or have difficulty breathing while waiting, come back to the desk right away.
Thank you. I'm trying to stay calm, but the dizziness is making me feel like something serious might be happening.
It's completely understandable to feel worried, especially when symptoms hit so suddenly. But you did the right thing by coming here early. Once the medical team examines you, they'll know exactly what's going on.
I appreciate that. Honestly, I almost stayed home thinking it would go away on its own, but the weakness was too much. Even walking into the hospital felt difficult.
That tells me you absolutely made the right decision. Sometimes symptoms like yours can escalate quickly. It's always better to be safe and get checked. Do you need a glass of water or help walking to a seat?
A glass of water would be nice, thank you. And I think I can walk to the seat, but I'll go slowly just in case. My legs feel a bit shaky.
No problem at all. I'll bring you the water in just a moment. After you sit, try to take slow breaths and keep yourself comfortable. If anything changes, I'm right here.
Thank you so much, Leo. You've been incredibly kind. Just talking to someone calmly like this is helping me feel a little less scared.
I'm glad to hear that, Sarah. We're here to help and you're not alone. Sit tight, the staff should call your name shortly.
All right. I'll wait here. And thank you again for taking the time to listen to me.
You're very welcome. Rest for now, we'll take good care of you.